Hey, and welcome today to Nikki the Analyst. So working on another Cloud Quest. Today's Cloud Quest is about cloud economics. Sorry, looking at my notes. So today we're going to be using the AWS pricing calculator. Excuse me. We'll be working on the AWS pricing calculator. So we're going to, so the point of this one is that there was in the little game, someone has a website and hopefully I don't get it backwards, but they have more traffic in the morning than they do at night. So they're like, I don't want to pay for all these extra servers. So we're going to help them not spend a lot of money because the whole point of AWS is to pay for what you need. You shouldn't be paying for things you're not using. So we got to make it cost effective. So for this one, we are going to be using the AWS pricing calculator to build out, a cost estimate, just exactly what it says on the site. So we're going to go ahead and get it going. And as you know, I went through the the walkthrough. I did that in the earlier videos, but now I'm just going to go straight to the DIY. So just applying what I just learned, so it's fresh in my brain. So let's get this done. So this one, not actually using the AWS management tool, using the website, and actually I'll put it in the notes. It's the https://calculator.aws. So this is the website just going to, and that's what it looks like. So now let's go ahead and get started and create an estimate. So we're going to go to create estimate, and we're going to go to my estimate. Before creating an estimate, consider creating a logical group of services. A useful logical grouping could be web servers. So we did that. And I remember that the screen's a little different. So we are going to create a group. Okay. And we are going to name the group we're gonna call it web servers. Yeah, that's the name. And then we're gonna go to create group. And then we're going to add service. You can see the cost breakdown of your services under the organization tab. And then here we're gonna click, we're gonna type in EC2. And then we're going to go to configure it. Okay, and we're going to name this web server estimate. Okay, got it. And we're going to go ahead and keep this region, but we're going to do some advanced estimate. And the reason why you would look at different regions, because different regions have different prices. In the event that a customer has a spiky traffic throughout the day, you should use advanced estimate. So I think, like I mentioned in the example, this person's website traffic fluctuates throughout the day. So we're just going to do advanced estimate. Sorry, it's been a long day. And we're going to go ahead and configure it. Okay, make some changes. So we're going to make sure it's Linux. And then we're going to put daily spike traffic. We're going to put it, we're going to use the dailies. We're going to use this one because it's a little up and down because it's not consistent. It's on consistent usage. Let's say the cyclical nature of service usage is common. For example, usage may be heavy during business hours. You want to make sure you can model those peak periods. So there we go. And we're going to look at workload days, and we're actually busy 7 days a week, not just Monday through Friday. All right. So baseline. Sorry, just making sure I'm keeping up with the click. The baseline usage refers to the minimum amount of servers during non-peak times. Conversely, peak usage represents the amount of servers required at peak periods. So when speaking in the previous module, when you're setting up in the game, the person, they want 2 instances as their baseline, and then their peak maximum is 4. So we're going to change that. Duration of peak hours, we're going to put 8. to 0. Okay. All right. So, all right, so this is now, I gotta look at my notes. For this one, for this instance, okay, let's actually do some changes up here. When creating estimates, users often do one-to-one mapping of their on-premise hardware to the cloud. For example, don't assume 4 GB is necessary because that is what's used on premise. One-to-one mapping of hardware specification often prevents users from effectively making use of all cloud benefits. It's important to use the right size. So go ahead and choose 2. I do 4. And yeah, we're doing any network performance. So the one we're going to use is, sorry, because in the DIY, and of course I wrote this very small. It's T2 micro. What's the irony that I wrote that really small? We have T2 medium, so let's look back. Oh, forgot we can filter it right here. There we go. T2 dot micro. Wonder why. Let me go to the DIY, what we're supposed to be choosing. You want to change EC2 instance type to a T2 micro and generate a new price custom URL. Only servers revalidate right size instances T2 micro. Okay, so let's, okay, so that's the fun part. And let's just do T2 and see what comes up. Get that. Okay, let's just do any. It is what it is. I can't do any. Just do. There we go. I'll just do any for everything. There we go. Okay. So let me go back. That's the fun part. Got to get back to the part of the directions I was in. Here we go. Okay, we were here. Okay. So we're going to do it on demand. And oh, there we go. On demand. There we go. And let's click show calculations. So you see right here, it's giving us an estimated workload hours. We can click this and see when you're looking at it. It's giving you, just giving you a view of that. So I think, yeah, and here goes a better explanation what we're looking at. Okay, hold on. Amazon instance pricing is very granular, offering per second billing for many instances. So just, explaining it. So let's go through it line by line. So this is the review of your workload hours are broken down by day. Review it of instances. Oh, here we go. Here's what I'm looking at. So here it is broken up by day. And these are the right here, like, so instances 3 or 4 are only, they're being charged 8 hours per day, while instances 1 and 2 are being charged 24. Underutilization, review the total on-demand instances hours per month. So that's what we're looking at. Now, hold on, where did I go? Okay, sorry. All right, let's go ahead and close this. So, and we're going to keep going. There we go. Here we go. So, under the Amazon Elastic Block Storage, Amazon Elastic Block Storage offers various storage types based on your workloads. For basic web servers, general purpose SSDs might suffice. However, more specialized workloads involving large data transfers or high input-output operations, other storage types might be appropriate. So we're going to keep this as general purpose. I'm going to keep that because it's already at 30. We do gigabytes. We do a snapshot weekly, and just do 1 gigabyte. Okay. Data transfer. Internet free, 1 terabyte per month, and then we're gonna do our outbound transfer. Internet, 100 gigabytes per month. Okay. Show calculations, just so we can see all that great fun stuff. So it shows data transfer costs monthly. And so then we're gonna look at total monthly costs. So it's gonna be $43.80. Okay, sure. Add to my estimate. So then we're gonna wanna share it. Don't show me this again. Actually, I'll just keep that because I might need that for future. So we're gonna copy public link and go ahead and paste it here. So this is the cost estimate that, we can share with someone's like, this is what I did. Now let's go to the DIY. We're going to share that screen. Okay, should be here. Let's make sure I got that right. It's the funnest part. It's validating solution. And you know what? And let's unmute it. Great job. This is cool. All right. So, and this thing plays music and it gets really loud. So can you hear that background music? Right. So cheesy. Let's exit. All right. Wow, this seems so affordable within my budget. See, I'm glad to hear that. Let's meet another day to see there's room for improvement in your architecture. You've helped us considerably. Please choose your reward. Okay. Ooh. This reminds me of something like very AOL. You got mail. Hopefully you're old enough to get the reference. Kind of Vespa, like the show Luca, movie Luca. And here's a motorcycle. For nostalgia's sake, I'm gonna go with this. Reminds me of America Online. All right, America. It doesn't matter. It's a long time ago. If you don't know what it is, don't worry about it. So, congratulations, cloud economics delivered. So, passed another challenge. Keep coming back. Got more challenges to go. This is fun. Actually learning how to use things in AWS Cloud. Hopefully you're doing the challenges also. It says I've completed 5 assignments. Keep it up. So I'm going to keep it up. I think there's a total of 12. So I'm going to keep it going. Thank you for coming by and see you next time.